Replace the printhead or printheads on the HP Jet Fusion 300 and 500 3D printer series when prompted by the front panel. It is possible to replace both printheads at the same time, but this video illustrates only a single printhead replacement. At the prompt, touch Replace, and then touch Continue. Wear gloves to protect your hands from agent, and then open the top cover. If necessary, clean the print area. Then open the agent door. In the right door pocket, remove the alignment plate. Make sure the alignment plate code matches the code on the inside of the door, then close the agent door. On the front panel, touch Continue to lower the build chamber. Place the alignment plate over the build chamber and push it down. Then place the priming tray on top of the alignment plate. Caution: the foam top is an essential part of the priming tray assembly. Do not remove it. Manually move the print carriage and center it over the tray, making sure the carriage and tray do not touch. Use a screwdriver to loosen the 8 screws. Then remove the cover and set it aside. Release the 2 clips, then lift the printhead cover over the carriage. The cover stays up magnetically. Loosen the 2 thumb screws at each end of the printhead. Grab the handle and pull up to remove the printhead. Set the printhead on a flat surface with the nozzles facing up. Remove the new printhead from its packaging. Remove both caps and then use the gray and purple center guide to align the needles and insert the new printhead. Dispose of the old printhead according to local regulations. The monochrome and color printheads are shaped differently. Moreover, the monochrome printhead is gray at the side and the color printhead is purple at the side. Check that the new printhead matches the slot. Align the edges of the new printhead with the carriage cavity. Then place it in the slot and push it down firmly. Push down and tighten both thumb screws. Then pull the printhead cover down and secure the 2 clips. Replace the print carriage cover and tighten the 8 screws to secure it. Close the top cover. On the front panel, touch Prime to start priming. When the front panel displays a message that priming is complete, open the top cover and remove the used priming tray. If replacing both printheads, do not remove the priming tray yet and confirm it in the front panel. Printhead alignment is required before printing again.